Hello all. Today we are going to see top-down analysis on our indices. Those are BankNifty, Nifty, and FinNifty as well. Now you can see over here, this is BankNifty and monthly time frame. We'll be doing analysis from here onwards. What I'm doing is I'm just making a trend line by connecting these two lows. Let me show you the lows. Our first low is this region and the second one is here. Now you may consider this one as one more touch. If you consider this one as one more touch, means market has retested this trend line and it is in a very good upside phase as of now. Or if you don't consider this one as a touch, then wait for a touch to this one, and from here we can manage to go upside in very phase manner. This is on monthly time frame. Okay, now in monthly time frame itself, we can see one more thing over here. This was our clear-cut support area, and from here we got a breakout and retest to this support area itself and upside rally. Now similarly, we are having one more over here. Let me show you this one as well. Now this area as well. Now previously it was acting as a resistance region over here. It was acting as a resistance, and we got some more resistance over here and breakout and retest to this area as of now. From here it is moving upside. If it crosses this all-time high, then we can manage to see more upside momentum in Bank Nifty. Let's move on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame itself, the same analysis will work. And one more thing you can see over here is market was in clear correction phase. Right, this was market was in clear correction phase, and recently it has given a breakout to this correction phase, got a breakout and moving upside continuously. It has given small retest also by making a red candle over here and moving upside. Now we are very near to our all-time high, which is this one, which is 44,150 level. If we crosses this level, then we can assume we may reach 46,000 as well in coming days. To reach this level, we are having some more hurdles over here. We will notice those on daily time frame, and in intraday time frame itself, we may get small downside trends as well. But as of now, looking for these charts, we have to know that we are clearly in uptrend in monthly time frame as well and in weekly time frame as well. When we go on daily time frame, also you can see over here market was in correction phase. Now it has given breakout to this level and it has crossed all its lower high regions and moving upside. You can see this one as drag this one till here. This was a support over this level. Let me show you. Support at this level. Now it was acting as a resistance. Again a resistance. Then it has given a breakout and was acting as a support as of now. It has given a breakout to this region as well. Now looking at this chart, we will be saying that market will move upside easily, and we are having all-time high, which is 44,150, and we'll make a trades without making any proper plan. When you look at this chart, we are having a very far stop loss. If you plan to enter at this level only, then your stop loss will be this region and your target will be this region, which is near to only 1:1 level. So what you have to do is either you need to wait for small retest. Let me show you which may act as a retest level. Now we are having this one as a resistance region previously, which got breakout. If market tests this region, which is near 43,000 level, if market comes to test this level, then we can plan for upside trade in swing with smaller stop loss and bigger targets. Now, one more thing we have to keep note of, this will also act as a resistance, which is 43,570 level. If market reaches to this level, we may get a fall down from here, and till which level we may get till 43,000 level. From here onwards, we may see a bounce back to upper side level. Let's clear these drawings. Moving to 4-hour time frame, the same thing is as usual from the daily time frame. Moving on hourly time frame to plan our small swing trades as well as our intraday trades as well. Now looking at this complete uptrend, we can mark one more trend line over here. I'm marking from this level, connecting the dots over here. Now what I have considered is, let me show you. This was a complete touch over here. Now the second touch one is this one, and we have been touching this trend line continuously and moving upside. I haven't considered this one as a touch because it has given a breakout to this level and retest on this trend line. I'm just ignoring this one. But while considering this trend line, market still in uptrend. If at all, if it crosses and sustain below this region, then also we don't have to go for selling side trade till it crosses 42,800 and sustain below this level. If it sustains below 42,800 level, then we can plan for small downside trades not big downside trades, small downside trades till 42,400 or till 42,000 levels. We don't have to plan furthermore because completely we can see market is completely in uptrend. Okay, now moving to intraday time frame to plan our intraday trade for Tuesday. Now, if at all market is showing some gap up opening scenario based on the global market levels, if at all market opens at this level, which is 43,570 level, if at all if it opens a very huge gap up and it shows any negative scenario over here, then we can plan for selling side trade till this gap, till previous day closing. Till here, if it markets halt over here and gives any upside opportunity, then we can plan for upside trade again over here. Or else if it is halting and coming down, we don't have to go for selling side trade until and unless it gets break 42,800 and sustain below this level. This is the top down analysis in Bank Nifty from monthly time frame to 15 minutes time frame. I hope you got a clear perspective of Bank Nifty. Now let's move to Nifty now. Now in Nifty also I'm going from monthly time frame itself. In every indices, what we are doing is we are going from top-down analysis. We are going from monthly time frame to our intraday time frame, that is 15 minutes time frame. Now looking at this chart, what we can assume is market is in uptrend again. Now let me zoom over here. Now while I zoom over here, you can observe one thing is market was clear upside till this level, came to retest upside, crossed this all-time high and came to small retest. Now looking at this monthly candle, we can assume is market is showing some upside momentum as of now. Previously it has been falling and giving a retest scenario, or we can say pullback. Now as of now, looking at this candlestick, we can plan for upside trades easily in Nifty as well. This is on monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, we can say that market has given an opportunity to plan for upside trades. Now moving to a weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, what I'm doing is I'm just connecting 2 points to make a trend line. What I have done is I have connected 2 points. Let me show those two. First one is this one, and then second one is this one. I have connected these 2 points to plan a prospective, to make a prospective that market is in uptrend. Why it is in uptrend? Previously, market has been falling, right? Given breakout, small retest to this trend line itself, and it is near to this level. Previously, it was made this one as a lower high, which it has been crossed, and it is near to its previous lower high. Now, if we take any resistance over here, then we can assume a fall to this trend line. It is a very rare scenario. If at all it takes a resistance at 18,100 level, then we may get a fall till this level, a small retest over here, and upside momentum may happen. But looking at this chart, what we are seeing is market has given breakout from this pullback or from this retest level and moving upside. Now, let me show you by marking the levels. I'm marking this trend line as well to confirm our levels in lower time frames. Okay, this was a small upper side trend line which was acting as a resistance, given breakout and retest also has done and moving upside. Now on weekly time frame also, if you look at over here, it has moving from here onwards upside, which was acting as a support area based on this level. Based on this support level, it has taken support from here and showed upside momentum, continuous 3 weeks upside momentum, and a halt, which may be termed as a retest to break out to this trend line and moving upside right. Now we'll plan our some small swing trades based on daily time frame. Moving to daily time frame. Now here you can clearly look at here, market has given a very good retest on this trend line level. Right, this was a very good retest. Now from here onwards, it is moving upside. Now we are having some huddle points over here, which are these levels. Let me mark. This is our first hurdle, which is 18,170 to 18,200 level. If at all market crosses this level, then we can plan easily upside trade till 18,500 to 19,000. 18,800 as well. Now, if it market continues its upside phase, then it is easy for Nifty to cross its all-time high also, which is this one, 18,880 level. If it shows a upside momentum and crosses all its hurdle points and sustains over there, then it is easy for Nifty to cross its all-time high in coming days. Or if it takes resistance on this level, which is 18,200 level, then we can plan a small downside trade till this level. Let me mark that level as well. this one, from where it has given break, which is near to 17,800 to 850 level. We can say 17,800 to 850 level. If market opens gap up over here, right? We will discuss this point in intraday time frame. As of now, by looking on the daily time frame, market still in uptrend. It has showed a very clear upside momentum, retest, and again upside momentum. These small hurdles may give some pullbacks to the Nifty in daily time frame also, and even though it may continue upside trend. Okay, now moving to hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, we'll mark a small trend line based on our trend. Okay, I've connected only these 2 points from here to here, and it is moving up the trend. Now, if at all market opens gap up over here, or above our 18,200 level, if we get any negative scenario over here, then we can plan a trade till previous day closing, which is 18,050. From here, we may get small halt and touch to this trend line. Upper side is easily possible. If at all, if you want to go for downside trade, that means we have to plan for bigger downside trades. Then what you have to do is you have to wait till this level breakdown, complete halt level. Then we need to wait till this level breakdown, which may come till 17,500 also. We have to wait till 17,500 level gets breakdown and sustain below it. Then only we can plan for downside trades. Until and unless we have to plan for upside trades only. Small pullbacks may come even though we have to plan for upside trend, because we have seen in monthly, weekly, and daily time frames, market is in uptrend. Okay, moving to 15 minutes time frame, which is our intraday time frame. While looking at this level, the same thing will play. If market opens gap up based on the global scenarios and falls over here, we will get some halt. From here also we can plan for upper side trade. If we get any opportunity at this level only, any negative scenario, then we can go for shorting position till this closing only. No need to plan for higher downside trades, because market is in uptrend. You have to follow trend until it bends. Remember, trend will help you a lot in making big money rather than going for reversals. This is about Nifty from monthly time frame to intraday time frame. We'll go for FinNifty right now. Let's move on monthly time frame. On FinNifty also, you can look at over here. FinNifty is at exact position where it is near its all-time high. This was all-time high, which is, let me mark with this level as well, 17,780 market is very FinNifty is very near to its all-time high as well, and it has been halting at upper region only. It has given any big downside trades, but it has been halting over here. And on monthly time frame itself, when you look at over here, it has given a very good retest scenario or pullback scenario from here and moving upside again. This is showing that bulls are in very good power. There are high probability that it will cross its all-time high in coming days. Let's move on weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, what I'm doing is I'm just pointing two levels to mark a trend line. Now you can see over here, if again market takes resistance at its all-time high, moving upside here is taking resistance on all-time high, then again we will test this trend line from here. This may happen. Why I'm saying this one is, this is an ascending triangle where the sellers are getting lesser and buyers are still in power. Okay, in weekly time frame itself, we'll look at over here at these candles. Market has been moving upside, a halt or pullback, moving and continuing upside again over here. We are near to its resistance level. We have to make note of this one as well. If at all we get any negative scenario over here, then we can plan for selling side trades in FinNifty easily, because we are near to all-time high as well as a very good resistance level. Now let me mark a level as well over here. This was our weekly interface trend line, which was acting for retest, or it is acting as a resistance as well. Now moving to daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can look at over here. Market has been moving upside aggressively and has given a very good halt over here. It hasn't fell, but it has given a very good halt over here. This one. If market continues to move upside to this region and started to show some fall, then we have to plan our target till this region only first. After that, if at all, if it crosses this level, then we can plan for downside trade till on this trend line as well. Now looking at these levels, you can plan one more hurdle is here, this one. Let me mark. This will also act as a hurdle, but market is showing some breakout scenario here. If market opens above this level or opens at this region, then we can plan for small downside trades in intraday time frame. Now looking on the daily time frame itself, market is still in uptrend only. Moving to hourly time frame. Similarly, we have marked in Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here also we are marking a trend line to make our prospective for trades. Now the same thing. While looking at this level, if market opens small gap up and shows negative scenario, first we'll plan for this closing, and the second one is we can plan till this trend line also, because it is giving a very good pullbacks and trend line is still in intact, and we are near to a very good resistance as well. If market halts above this region, then we can plan a trade till 19,500 level. From here, we may get some pullbacks or we may get a very good halt over here, because we are very near to good resistance, which is near to all-time high. Now moving to 15 minutes time frame to plan our intraday trades over here. Same thing will play, which is based on hourly time frame. If market opens at this region and shows any negative scenario, then we can plan our trade till this level, which is previous day closing. If it takes any good support over here, then we can plan upside trade till 19,500 levels. This is about monthly time frame to intraday time frame of FinNifty. We have discussed all the three indices, which are Bank Nifty, Nifty, and FinNifty, and we have done top-down analysis, which will help us for swing trades, positional trades, as well as intraday time frame. Intraday trades. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, if you need any more clarity on any index, or if you want any clarity over the stock, just comment down to this video. We'll let you know more about the analysis on those stocks. Don't miss to subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more amazing videos on trading as well as our daily travels as well. Thank you.